Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, Emma is going to a restaurant, but first, she needs to book a table. Booking a table helps restaurants know you're coming. It's a useful skill, especially for popular places. Have you ever tried to book a table at a restaurant in English? What do you usually say?
I want to try that new Italian restaurant tonight. It's usually busy. I should call them to book a table for me and Sophie. I heard their pasta is amazing, and Sophie loves Italian food. I hope they have a spot for us.
When you want to eat at a restaurant at a specific time, especially a popular one, it's a good idea to book a table. This means you call ahead to reserve a spot. It helps the restaurant prepare and ensures you won't have to wait. Let's learn some useful phrases Emma can use when she calls the restaurant to make her reservation.
Hello, the Italian kitchen. How can I help you?
Hi there. My name is Emma. I'd like to book a table for this evening, please. I'm hoping to get a spot for 2 people.
Okay, for what time and how many people?
For 2 people, please. My friend Sophie and I. We're hoping for around 7 p.m. tonight, if that's possible.
It's important to clearly state the number of people and the desired time. You can say for X people and at Y o'clock or around Y p.m. If your exact time isn't available, the restaurant might offer an alternative. Let's see if Emma's requested time is available.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table for 2 at 7 p.m. Does that work for you? It's a lovely spot by the window.
Yes, perfect. That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for checking.
And what name should I put the reservation under? Could you please spell that for me, just to be sure?
Certainly. It's Emma. EMMA. Just 1 M. That's my first name.
Always be ready to spell your name clearly, especially if it's not a common name or if there are different spellings. The restaurant staff will often repeat the details to confirm everything. It's good to listen carefully to make sure all the information is correct, like the time and number of people.
Okay, so a table for 2 for Emma at 7 p.m. tonight. Is that right? We look forward to seeing you.
That's right. Everything sounds perfect. Thank you so much for your help. See you tonight.
Excellent. Emma successfully booked a table for her and Sophie. Remember these key phrases. I'd like to book a table, please. For how many people? At what time? Under what name? Practice them and you'll be booking tables like a pro for any occasion.
Hey Sophie. So glad you could make it. The restaurant is just around the corner. I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too. I'm starving. I can't wait to try their pasta. I've heard so many good things about this place. Good evening. Welcome to the Italian kitchen. Do you have a reservation with us tonight?
Yes, good evening. We do. It's for 2 people, under the name Emma.
Ah, yes, Emma, for 7 p.m. Right this way, please. Your table is ready. It's the one by the window. Oh, lovely. It looks beautiful in here, Emma. Very cozy and inviting.
When you arrive at a restaurant with a reservation, you usually tell the host your name and reservation time. They will then confirm and show you to your table. Once you are seated comfortably, a waiter will come to greet you and take your order. It's a smooth process.
Good evening, ladies. Welcome to the Italian kitchen. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink to start while you look them over?
Oh, yes, thank you. That would be lovely. We're quite thirsty after our walk.
I think I'll have a glass of sparkling water, please. Do you have any fresh juices?
And I'll have a lemonade, please. A regular one, not sparkling.
When ordering, you can say, I'll have, or I'd like, followed by your choice. It's polite to add please at the end. The waiter will often ask about drinks first, giving you time to decide on your food. This is a common practice in many restaurants.
Excellent choices. I'll be right back with those drinks. Have you decided on your food yet, or do you need a few more minutes to browse the menu?
We need a few more minutes, please. There are so many delicious options.
This menu has so many good options. I'm torn between a few things. What are you thinking of getting, Emma?
I think I'll get the pasta carbonara. It sounds delicious and creamy. What about you, Sophie? Any favorites?
Now that they have their drinks, it's time to order the main courses. It's common for waiters to ask if you're ready to order. If you need more time, just say so politely. Don't feel rushed. Take your time to choose what you really want to eat.
Here are your drinks, ladies. 1 sparkling water and 1 lemonade. Are you ready to order your food now, or do you need more time?
Yes, we are ready. I'll have the pasta carbonara, please. And could I ask for no mushrooms in it?
And I'd like the margarita pizza, please. Can I have extra basil on top? I really love basil.
Certainly. Pasta carbonara, no mushrooms, and a margarita pizza with extra basil. Got it. Anything else for you too?
You can always ask for modifications to your order, like no mushrooms or extra basil. It's perfectly fine to customize your meal. The waiter will confirm your order to make sure it's correct. It's good to listen carefully and correct them if needed to avoid any mistakes.
Anything else for you too? Perhaps an appetizer or a side dish?
No, that's all for now, thank you. We're very excited for our main courses.
Great job, Emma and Sophie. They ordered their food and drinks clearly, including their special requests. Remember, I'll have, I'd like, and don't forget to mention any special requests politely. Soon, their delicious food will arrive, and they can enjoy their meal.
Here are your pasta carbonara and margarita pizza. Enjoy your meal, ladies. I hope you like them.
Wow, thank you so much. It looks absolutely amazing, Sophie. I can't wait to dig in.
After enjoying a delicious meal, it's time to ask for the check. The check is the bill, showing how much money you need to pay for everything you ordered. Here's how Emma and Sophie will ask for it politely when they are ready to leave.
That was so good. I'm completely full and satisfied. Are you ready to go, Sophie? Or would you like anything else?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's get the check, please. I think I'm too full for dessert.
Excuse me, waiter. Could we have the check, please? We're finished with our meal.
Of course. I'll bring it right over for you. Just a moment.
The most common phrases to ask for the check are, could we have the check, please? Or, can I get the check? You can also just say the check, please. It's simple, direct, and polite. Choose the one you feel most comfortable using.
Here is your check, ladies. I hope you enjoyed everything tonight.
Thanks. Let's see. Oh, we can split this, right? We'd like to pay separately.
Excuse me, can we split the bill, please? We'd like to pay separately, if that's okay.
No problem at all. We can certainly do that. How would you like to pay for your individual portions?
Many restaurants allow you to split the bill or pay separately. You can ask, can we split the bill or can we pay separately? The waiter will then ask how you want to pay, usually cash or card. It's a very common request, especially when dining with friends.
I'll pay with my credit card, please. Here you go. My half is on this card.
Me too, please. I'll use my credit card as well for my portion.
Okay, here are your cards and receipts. Everything is processed. Thank you for dining with us tonight. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. We had a wonderful time. Have a good night.
They paid easily. Remember, I'll pay with my credit card or I'll pay with cash are common ways to state your payment method. Don't forget to say thank you and have a good night or have a good day when you leave. Good job, Emma and Sophie, on a successful restaurant visit. Today, we learned how to book a table, order food and drinks, and ask for the check at a restaurant. It's super useful for your next meal out. The answer to our pre-question, you can say, I'd like to book a table for 2 at 7 p.m. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be confident in any restaurant.